Watch this artist amazingly transform a floor's look, with the help of liquid plastic. In just 1 year, a team of workers managed to make a tunnel through a mountain. And its diameter equal to the size of a 2-story house, is truly amazing. Check out this life hack from a carpet restorer. He covers it with a special film that protects it from dirt. It's crazy how true professionals can do their job, even in midair. I had no idea that throwing nets could be an art form. This worker's skill with the foam filling is magic. It's amazing how this guy makes a stone wall, without a single stone. Those are the masters of cable management. Using nothing but a drill and some imagination, a jack of all trades can turn any wall into a work of art. The Olympic team needed a 2-million-gallon pool, built in a very short time. Sounds impossible, right? Believe it or not, these workers did it in just 10 days. This builder is about to share their secret of how to make a beautiful concrete railing in a matter of minutes. They create art, not just lay tile. Check out that perfect circle. Do you think he know what hard to reach places means? He can climb anywhere. Watch the experts make some huge concrete blocks. Here's how they make a facade, with the smaller versions. This is how to make concrete rails. Literally can't take my eyes off his hand. The future looks bright for this smart kid. Watching this guy do flooring, no matter what the challenge is, proves that people can do anything. Now this is what I call freaky fast delivery. I don't know what laws of physics help this person hold the bricks in such an amazing shape, but the result is simply stunning. Save an entire hood pipeline by clearing it before the freezing temperatures could damage it. Work smarter, not harder. This is just a day in the life of a professional builder. A true craftsman doesn't need a paper to make a perfect road, just some acrylic paint, and a little time. Think a construction site has to have a crane? Well, this builder would disagree with you. Without a meticulous worker behind it, no machine can perform high-quality work. Enjoy watching the long process of building a skate park in just a few seconds. Look at this smoothness worker with his huge tool. The result of this guy's diligent work is a concrete surface that'll last for more than 50 years. Don't skip this video or you'll miss the magic door. This guy has come up with a method for creating textured walls, using nothing but gravel. This roofer has mastered the delicate art of working with slate tiles. Imagine having this guy's sense of depth perception. Now presenting a house made of bottles, by the most creative architect you've ever seen, it's amazing. This genius worker pieces together two completely different materials like a puzzle. For this painter, his hands are literally priceless. Check out the genius, who has mastered the art of laying concrete. This guy turns concrete into a work of art. These workers have mastered a special technique for laying bricks in a circle, and all I can think is how. Cleaning process is always satisfying. It's completely different. When you think the perfect job doesn't exist, look to this woman's job. This is how shipper propellers are cleaned, and they do it beautifully. This master can turn a piece of clay into a sure to amaze you. Dirt has made a boat look more like a fishing vessel. Now check out the precision of this ice cutting process. It usually takes a long time to take down scaffolding, but this worker was able to do it in a single motion. You are now witnessing the world's most accurate arborist at work, and for him this is just the start of a typical workday.